The ultimate KicksCrewcom reviews tutorial from 0 to pro in 1 minute. If you're hunting for rare sneakers, most people get this wrong by buying from unverified sellers and risking fake products. The surprising truth about KicksCrewcom is that it's a trusted marketplace for authentic sneakers, streetwear, and limited editions with worldwide shipping. First, create an account. You won't believe how many users skip this step and miss out on exclusive releases and discounts. Account creation lets you track orders and receive notifications for new drops. Next, browse effectively. Most people get this wrong by scrolling randomly. Use filters for size, brand, and release date to quickly find what you're looking for. Check reviews and ratings. The surprising truth is that authentic feedback helps avoid counterfeits and sizing issues. Look for detailed comments on quality, comfort, and delivery speed. Compare prices. You won't believe how many users overpay. Some sneakers are listed at different prices from multiple sellers. Choose wisely. Track orders and returns. Most people get this wrong by not checking shipping status. KicksCrew provides order tracking and reliable return options to ensure smooth shopping. In conclusion, KicksCrewcom helps sneaker enthusiasts go from 0 to pro in sourcing authentic and rare kicks. By creating an account, filtering products, checking reviews, comparing prices, and tracking orders, you can shop smartly and confidently every time.